I'm not so sure about the exact story, but I do know that UN Night was a day and all of the students would be off timetable. The students and staff would have performances and do skits, usually related to cultural skits and so on. And at one point then that traversed into an evening performance. I guess we became really big and excited about the event. There was always a high school show and a middle school show. And then it just got bigger and bigger, but always the students were the facilitators and the focus. It represents our rich and diverse community, colourful, vibrant, positive peace building, learning from each other through food and festivities, and it gives us an opportunity to be able to showcase our own identities, our own nationalities, in whatever form they may be. So it's a big event, it's long history, and it's something that we all look forward to each year.
So UN Night Africa 2022 combines theatre and dance, right, to artistically convey the 3 different dances and cultures from Namibia, Burkina Faso and Senegal, right, while still trying to convey the zeal and energy and passion found in these African countries as well as the entire African continent. We also aim to convey how these African and traditional dances have morphed and evolved throughout time and how they have maintained that tradition and sense of culture even in the modern world and society. UN Night, or UN Night Africa specifically, has allowed me to fully and thoroughly educate my friends, strangers, even staff and teachers about my culture and my identity, and through that I've inspired others, and I hope to inspire more people as UN Night approaches.
UN Night is about excitement, performance, diversity and inclusion. I met so many friends and strengthened so many relationships that I already had formed previously. Being on stage and being able to perform something that is student-made and something that we've grown from nothing, and to be able to display culture in an exciting manner is just an experience that I've never had before, and it's something that I will never forget.
Join the celebrations. Wear your cultural identity clothing. Eat, sit, be merry, create conversations and enjoy the evening.
It's a fun, inspiring and really diverse experience, so I hope you come and watch it. Whoop whoop! Watch UN Night Africa! Yeah, okay, that's cool.